Hello, welcome to my channel 2-Minute English. Let's master English every day. Don't always say sorry. Today, I will give you some ways to say, pardon me. Excuse me. My apologies. I regret that. Forgive me. Please excuse that. Apologies. I apologize. I'm so sorry. That was my fault. I beg your pardon. Mea culpa. How thoughtless of me. I owe you an apology. I regret my actions. Please forgive my mistake. I'm really sorry about that. I take full responsibility. Please accept my apologies. I apologize for the inconvenience. Please overlook my error. I apologize for any confusion. I hope you can forgive me. That was entirely my fault. I apologize for the misunderstanding. I regret any inconvenience caused. I'm sorry for any trouble caused. Please accept my sincerest apologies. My sincerest apologies for the delay. Please accept this as my formal apology. I apologize for not being clearer. Please forgive the oversight. I apologize for my ignorance. I apologize for the disruption. Please excuse the inconvenience. That was thoughtless of me. I regret not meeting your expectations. I hope you can forgive my oversight. I apologize for the inconvenience caused. I apologize for the inconvenience this caused. I apologize for my mistake. I didn't mean to offend you. I'm sorry if I upset you. That's entirely my fault.